Hey there, Martin here, and just completed Physio session 5. Uh, physio, physio 5. Uh, oh, Lord. Um, right, where do we start? I think there's some good messages in here. I mean, hook me up to that electrical machine again, and we up, we up the power. More power. Oh. All you Tool Time fans out there. There was more power. And I can literally still feel it in my back as if it's happening right now. And he said that's okay, but it still feels like I'm getting zapped. And whenever I do that, I feel like Marv out of Home Alone 2, when he turns the taps and gets electrocuted. It makes me feel like that. So he did that, but here's an interesting thing. He, at the same time as doing that on my lower back, he was then doing a physio massage. So, one of those brutal things that really gets in there. Because I'm having my lower back and my neck and my shoulder are still giving me a fair bit of discomfort. So at the same time as the electrical machine, he was then pummeling my neck and my shoulder, and deliberately, intentionally, and with my permission, went deeper this time. And because I've said it's just a mild one, but he really got in, and I gotta say it was damned uncomfortable, even painful. And to finish off, he used what can only be described as a Klingon weapon. Some kind of metal blade, double-ended thing that he was using on my neck and my shoulder that at first felt like a really, really rough shave. Weird area to have been shaved, but felt like a really rough shave, and then quickly was very, very uncomfortable in terms of poking and prodding, and he said that because of how that works, it's probably going to look like it's been bruised. Today felt a bit different. I'm sure you can tell by the tone. Today was very uncomfortable. But the message stands. I think the message through all of these, try new things. And there was new things today. Try new things. If you know that you're going to get potential benefit from them, never shy away from that. So try new things. And yes, by trying new things, we're going to get uncomfortable, in the decision-making process to do it. But also then when we're actually doing these things, it can be uncomfortable because there's uncertainty and we don't know what to expect. And it's like unpleasant, and it can be either mental, emotional, physical, that we feel these things. But the real important thing is, and the thing that gets me through all of this, is that there's an outcome that I'm aiming for. Despite all of this, and it was really, really uncomfortable today, but it still brings me joy in the journey, which sounds weird. Maybe I am just weird. But I have an outcome that I'm looking for, and it's a case of do anything and everything to get that outcome. And I trust, and I've got faith, and I've had courage, and that's important. There's getting back to full fitness is one part of the outcome, but it's what I'm going to do with that fitness once I've got it back. The adventures, the not taking the health and the physical side of health for granted, the things that I'm going to do. If you don't have an outcome that you're looking for, you're not going to get uncomfortable. You're not going to make new decisions, try new things, because you're not headed anywhere. I think that's probably the big message today. You can do all of these things, and in order for us to change, in order for us to improve or achieve something or overcome something, we have to do something new. We have to think new things, feel new things, do new things, and we have to get a little bit uncomfortable, but it's worth it. So I hope this is helpful. today, a bit longer, but a real key message. And some of these messages I've repeated, but what I've discovered over these last few decades is that there are just some core, simple messages that if you live by, they can make all the difference in the quality of your life. And trying new things, being okay with being uncomfortable, uncertain, and having an outcome that you're really, that makes that worthwhile, so important. So until next time, I look forward to giving you another update. This is Project Rebuild. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep rebuilding.